What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Welcome to another vlog. So today is Saturday. It's raining outside, so I decided to work out at my home. I couldn't work out these days because I was very sick for 4 days. So yesterday I just started workout. So today, day 2. I feel like I'm getting stronger a little bit. My elbow is almost okay. So let's go. Oh yeah, right. It's been a while since I doing this. Saturday morning workout. Let's go. 최근. Recently, I learned about how to wear a wrist strap. I'm gonna show you guys like this wrist strap. Hey, look at this. Easy, bro. My elbow is a little bit hard because I don't know, my shoulder and some biceps have problem. I'm not gonna mark this. Yeah. So today I'm gonna doing front lever and something and a little bit planche. Okay, before workout, I have to use this. If I don't use this before workout, I cannot use power 100%. Static is grip is very important. Yeah. I'm practicing street touch these days, so let's try. No, my leg is so high. Okay, one more try. And a little bit wider. Okay, I was just recording one video for my reels, so let's do next set. No way. I started calisthenics again yesterday after a long time, so my body is a little bit heavy today, but I don't care because I'm gonna stronger, better than yesterday, you know. What the hell? Okay, I need to practice one-arm handstand. Okay, let's go. Okay, last set, one-arm handstand is not bad, but I don't know. So now I'm gonna try straight arm touch one more. No way. Yes! That's it. So now I'm gonna do wide front lever touch. All right. No, no way. All right. I'm gonna try Maltese after my elbow injury. All right, let's go. Oh, okay. So now I'm gonna use elastic band because my triceps is tired. Alright, let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. So now my workout is done. Thank you for watching my video. See you soon. Peace out.